Hello everyone, I am sitting here in front of our Cobot from the company Dobot, which we intend to use for training and educational purposes. This is industrial robotic arm, a 4-axis robotic arm, and the idea is not just to perform simple pick-and-place tasks with it, but rather to learn about the various applications where such a robotic arm can be used. We have come up with project tasks to explore in which scenarios these cobots can be used, allowing you to learn about a wide variety of robotic tasks. For this purpose, we have developed different boards, and with these project boards, you can tackle a wide range of tasks. The first project board is relatively simple. There you have a 3D model, or rather a 3D printed model of a car, which is supposed to drive along this country road. The scenario behind this is simply that toy cars are to be tested in a toy factory, so the robotic arm is used as a tester. In order to inspect the toy cars produced, then there is also something like a container port here, and we have such 3D printed containers, and these containers are then supposed to be taken off a truck and placed in the port. This is an everyday pick and place task that will be performed with it. Another one refers to ship navigation, and here it is to be checked whether this milling in the plate was carried out correctly, and for this the robotic arm also has such a test tip, and this test tip is then inserted into this groove, and the robotic arm is supposed to trace this groove to check whether it was milled correctly. Another interesting task for robotic arms is palletising. That means here we also use our containers again, and we perform palletising tasks here. This means we have 6 storage areas here. And first you have to palletize a 2x2 matrix, then a 2x2x2, and so on. These are the tasks that the learners have to master and program here. Finally, as the last project task, of course, another important topic in robotics is gluing and welding. We are simulating this absolutely safely. Naturally, we do not want any actual welding or gluing to take place. And in this project task, it looks like this. In automotive production, either an adhesive strip is to be applied here, or the car body is to be welded. We simulate this by attaching an LED to the front of the robot arm. This LED then indicates the process of gluing or welding. With all these project tasks, you already have a wide range of possibilities and areas of application that you learn about, where such a robot arm can be used and can thereby cover all the basic principles of robot programming. Interested? Visit our website to get a quote. See you soon.